solve the equation x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 3x plus 16. X is greater than 0. Product of powers rule, a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the power of 3x plus 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 3x times 2 to the power of 16. 2 to the power of 3x can be written as 8 to the power of x. By rearranging the equation, we have x to the power of x over 8 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 16. X to the power of x over 8 to the power of x can be written as x over 8 all to the power of x. 2 can be written as 16 over 8. We can see that x must be 16. Is this the only solution, or are there other solutions? Consider y equals x over 8 all to the power of x. By taking ln on both sides of the equation, we can now write in y equals x ln x over 8. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. We have 1 over y dash equals ln x over 8 plus x times 8 over x times 1 over 8. X and 1 over x cancel. 8 and 1 over 8 cancel. So we can write the second term on the right-hand side of the equation as 1. 1 is equal to ln e ln x over 8 plus ln e can be written as ln e x over 8. So y dash equals y times ln e x over 8. By rearranging the equation, dash equals x over 8 all to the power of x times ln ex over 8. Let y dash equal 0. We have x over 8 all to the power of x times ln e x over 8 equals 0. Since x over 8 all to the power of x doesn't equal 0, so ln ex over 8 equals 0. Thus, ex over 8 equals 1. By rearranging the equation, we have x equals 8 over e when x is greater than 8 over e, y dash is greater than 0 as ln ex over 8 is greater than 0 when x is less than 8 over e, y dash is less than 0 as ln ex over 8 is less than 0. Thus, when x is less than 8 over e, y equals x over 8 all to the power of x is strictly decreasing, and y is less than or equal to 1 is much less than 2 to the power of 16. And when x is greater than or equal to 8 over e, y equals x over 8 all to the power of x is strictly increasing. So y equals x over 8 all to the power of x, and y equals 2 to the power of 16 have only one intersection point. This means equation 1 has only one solution. Hence, x equals 16 is the unique solution of the original equation.